Yo, if you learned a thing or two about cutting hair or barbering in this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. So today we have a client that gets a high skin taper. Right now we are wetting the hair, making sure the hair is fully damp all around, front to back, side to side. Don't miss a step, don't skip a step. Let's go, don't get lazy, man. Sheesh. This is an award-winning barbershop. If you want to tap in, hit my Instagram at AmbitiousEdge. So right now we're picking up the hairs with a comb and we are trimming about an inch of width of hair. We are using the same guideline from the front all the way to the back. And make sure you check your work at an angle. It's called the cross-check work. Make sure the bangs are equally the same length as the hairs in the back, or make sure that the bangs are longer than the top of the hair. I'm using these Hanzo shears, man, $1,000 shears, something like, you know, let's go. Next, we're gonna debulk the sides with the number 6 guard. Make sure you don't go too high on the back of the head so that we can leave some volume towards the crown to give it a nice shape. Do the same steps on the side of the head. Number 6 guard on the sides. Go flush against the head. Use your comb to get rid of any excess hair. Next, use your trimmers to start the initial skin guideline on the skin taper in the back of the neck. We're using the burst taper technique. Now get rid of that bottom hair. Go over the balders. This is the babulous balder. Make sure you go against the grain. Next, clipper, lever open, 1/2 inch width. Third guideline, number 1 guard, lever open, another 1/2 inch width. Pay attention to the flick of the wrist. Look at that flick of the wrist. 1/2 inch width. Let's go. Next, 1.5 guard, clipper lever open. Blend the hair with the sides to the top with the number 1.5 guard. Open and close until you get that fresh, crispy taper. Blah-da-da. Use your comb, get rid of excess hair. Next, we are going to use the 1/16 guard to get rid of that bottom line. Flick of the wrist, man. Pay attention to that flick of the wrist. Close the lever halfway down. Next, we are getting rid of that bottom skin guideline. Tapering the sides of the neck with the 1 guard, lever closed. Now we are on the sideburn taper. Follow the same steps as the back. All my haircuts, they all use half an inch increments on the guidelines. So whether it's a 0 to a half to a 1.5, they're all half an inch widths. Look at that flick of the wrist, flick of the wrist. We are located in San Clemente, California. We also have another location in Mission Viejo. If you guys want to tap in for that fresh cut, go to our website, AmbitiousEdge.com. We are a multi-award winning barber, man. Let's go. We got trophies. There's no other shop in Orange County that got it like we do. We got the people that we are surrounded with, influencers, multi-millionaires, billionaires, man. I can go on and on. We are different. Let's go. Next, time to blend in the sides with the top of the head. We are using that clipper over comb technique. We are using a flat top comb with the clipper lever open. We are going flush against the scalp, making sure we don't go in too far. And this is called the sculpting process. Next, we will be using our trimmers to start lining up the forehead. As you can see, the edge of the forehead was slightly trimmed. We trimmed off all the baby hairs on the edges of the forehead so we can give them that crispy lineup. Make sure you don't press too tight so you don't irritate the client's skin. Make sure you use your mirrors to check your work. Last thing you want is your client to pull up to the club with the crooked ass lineup, man. Get them right. You want them to come back, you want to start winning awards, make sure you do it right. Take your time, let's go. Blah da da. use the corners of the blades when you go over the ears. Pull the ear down. Now we will be styling this haircut with some styling powder. Blah da da. Here's the finished results. Again, if you learned a thing or two from this haircut, please like, comment, and subscribe to this Ambitious Edge YouTube channel. Peace. Blah da da.